Good day, students. Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhonde High School welcome you all in our digital learning session. Today, in our EVS 1 subject, we are going to continue our lesson number 8, the value of food, with our notes. So let's start. First, what we have learnt from textbook page number 54 and 55. So you all listen carefully, children. The foodstuffs we use come from many different places such as fields, lakes, the sea and forest. Starting from preparing the fields till storing the grain in warehouses, many different kinds of tasks are carried out for growing crops. Harvesting, threshing and winnowing are some of these tasks. Point number 3. After that, the crop is transported, sold and prepared for eating. Only then do we get food on our plates. Point number 4. As with growing grain, much hard work goes into producing other foodstuffs too. Fifth one, we must all take care to ensure that food is not wasted. Always remember, we get a variety of foodstuffs through the efforts of many different people. Let us always be grateful to them. New words. Students, you have to read and write all the words 3 times in your classwork notebook. First word, I will read for you. Monsoon. 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 Second word, tender. TENDER. Third, flocks. 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 Fourth one, scarecrows. SCARECROWS. Fifth one, threshing. 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 Sixth word, winnowing. 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 Seventh word, laborers. LABOURERS. Laborers. Eighth word, machines. 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 Ninth word, harvested. 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 Tenth word, expensive. EXPENSIVE. 11th word, transported. 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 12th word, roasted. 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 13th word, fisherman. 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 14th word, orchards. 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 So children, you also read and write all these words at home. Practice it for your best. Next, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First one I will read for you. When the soil becomes hot and humid, the crop is sown. Second one, the grain is separated from the ears by process called threshing. Third one, the light shells are blown away by the wind. Fourth one, some people gather fruits like karvanda and jamun from the forest. Machines and vehicles are used for the production and transport of foodstuffs. Money is spent on transport to operate them. Question number 2, match the following. So there is A group and B group. First question, salt. We get salt from the sea. Sugarcane, fields. Makhna, a freshwater lake. Bore, forest. Eggs, poultry farming. Question number 3, true or false. If machines are not available, Bullocks are used for threshing. Yes, it is true. Singadas are obtained from the sea water. No, it is false because singadas are obtained from freshwater lakes. Yes. One should never waste the food. Yes. You should not never. No one will waste the food. So it is true. Fourth one. Trucks and goods trains are used to transport grains all over the country. Correct. It is true. Question number 4. Give one word. A place where grain is stored. Yes. Kangi. Kanagi. A farmer uses an implement for plowing the field. Tiffin. Tiphan. Tiffin. Here you can see the picture of Kangi, and you can see there is a tractor and the machine is there, implements. We can call it as tiffin. A tiffin is a type 3-bladed seed drill which is used to sow seeds by cutting a furrow, placing the seed and covering it up to a desired depth. Question number 5. Complete the following. So here first one, things obtained from farms. So we obtain rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, etc. Second one, things obtained from forest. Amla, honey, jamun, karwanda. Third one, things obtained from sea. Salt, fish. Fourth one, things obtained from fresh water. Singadas, makhnas and fish. Fifth one, things obtained from animals. Milk, egg and meat. Question number 6. Explain the term. First one, harvesting. The process in which the ears of grain is cut and gathered is called harvesting. Threshing. The process in which the grain is separated from the ears is called threshing. Winnowing. The process in which the shell of the chaff is carried away from the grain is called winnowing. Question number 7. Answer in one sentence. First one, potatoes and radishes grow underground. Which other bulbs and roots do we get from plants? Answer. We get bulbs and roots like sweet potatoes, ginger, onions, etc. Second question. What is used to frighten the birds away? Answer. Scarecrows are used to frighten the birds away. Third question. When is the process of harvesting done? Answer. The process of harvesting is done when the ears of corn are full. Question number 8. Answer in brief. First one. How is the field prepared for sowing? Answer. Many implements are attached to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. First the field is ploughed, then the lumps of soil are crushed, and finally the field is leveled to make it ready for sowing. Question number 2. How is the grain transported to all parts of the country? Answer. The grain is transported to all parts of the country by using various means of transport like the bullock cart, tractors, trucks, goods trains, etc. Third question. Why should we not waste food? Answer. We should not waste food. As for preparing food, efforts of many people are involved, such as farmers, laborers, drivers, traders, shopkeepers, and our parents' hard work. Question number 4. What are the tasks that are carried out to make a bhakri after the grains has been brought into the house? Answer. The tasks that are carried out to make a bhakri after the grain has been brought into the house are: first point, we first cleaning the grain, then milling the grains into flour, kneading the flour into lumps, flattening of flour and then roasting. Students, you have to complete one activity in your classwork notebook of EVS 1. Refer textbook page number 51, 52 and 53. Here you have to stick the pictures of farming tasks: plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Okay? Study hard for your best. Thank you. Have a nice day.